Is it true you can make money with Facebook Reels? Absolutely you can, and I'm going to tell you right after this. Boom. Create and do what makes you happy. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss an updated video. Having said that, let's get into the video. How can you use Facebook Reels to make money? Facebook Reels are a new way to publish video content on social media platforms. Not very many people are talking about it for some reason, but Facebook Reels is huge. They're really trying to compete with TikTok. And it's very similar to TikTok that allow you to make short form interesting videos with music, effects, and a green screen. Facebook Reels are vertical video with the music, audio, text filters, stickers, and other features. So here's one way that is not very often talked about, and so I'm just going to go over this briefly, but not everyone will have access to this, so listen up really fast. Ads can be embedded in content creators' Reels who have more than 10,000 followers and at least 5 videos and over 600,000 minutes of viewing in the last 60 days. Currently, 50 other nations, including the United States, Canada, Mexico, and others, offer these new advertising possibilities. So go ahead and check to make sure that you have that option to get that feature. According to TechCrunch reports that the proceeds from overlay advertising is divided. Facebook gets 45% and content creators receive 55%. Content producers on the platform could only incorporate adverts in their Facebook broadcasts before this, so this is an update. Users can now immediately add marketing bumpers to their Reels like stickers, thanks to the new Facebook Reels overlay advertisement. There will be also sticker advertisements that will be placed anywhere on the reel, and they're semi-transparent overlays at the bottom of the reel and banner ads. So basically on your Reels you can put ads on them if you get accepted to this. Additionally, Meta revealed that soon viewers will be able to award stars to content creators while watching their Reels. The creator will receive 1 penny from Meta for each star awarded. Since releasing Reels, Meta has experimented with a variety of ways for creators to commercialize their work, such as the Reels Play bonus program, which also gives bonuses to users whose Reels receive at least 1,000 views in 30 days. Although this is an invite-only feature, people can make up to $4,000 a month by doing specific challenges. Through their challenges incentive program, producers need to complete a series of tasks. Once a creator completes a challenge, a new one becomes available until the progress is reset after 30 days. To earn money through these challenges in the Reels bonus program at this time, creators must be invited. So also check for that. See if you've been invited to the Facebook Reels bonus program. Here are some tried and true advice on how to make interesting Facebook Reels that will boost your earnings from Facebook Reels. Increase your imagination. Anyone can create a Facebook Reel. Anyone can market themselves as a creator and get paid for their efforts. Make sure you are familiar with the Facebook Reels editing options to increase your creativity and achieve higher engagement rates. You can search the Facebook Music Library for a song to include in your Reels. Remember, a lot of these platforms are very much tied into the music, so if you can find a trendy sound, your content is more likely to blow up. You might also use your original audio in place of previously released audio. You can either add audio from the camera before you record or publish a clip, or afterwards. By selecting use audio from another person's reel, you can also use authentic audio from other public reels. Now here are a couple of effects and features I want to just bring up to make sure that you understand. You can use effects supplied by Facebook and other third-party developers to create several videos with different effects and transitions. One of them is timers and countdowns. The timer function allows you to record a clip without even pressing the shutter button, so it is very convenient. The multi-clip feature. You can combine multiple clips into one reel by recording them all at once or selecting different clips from your gallery. The slow motion option allows you to accumulate the good parts of the video by speeding it up or slowing it down while recording. Along with these existing editing features, Facebook will release new editing features in the coming days, just like all the other platforms are doing as well. There is the remix feature. You will be able to create your reel in addition to one that has already been widely shared. You're basically leveraging a video that's already been killing it online. You can use all or a little bit of the portion of that reel in your remix, so you don't have to use the whole thing. Remember that you can draft your reels, so you can create a reel and save it as a draft if you wish to work on it much later on. Video clippings. Meta intends to release new video clipping capabilities, like to edit your videos within the feature coming up later on. Remember that you can distribute your Reels in Facebook groups, and that's a fantastic way to locate your target audience as well. Many people aim to maximize their earnings by maintaining a couple Facebook groups at the same time. When you share Reels in Facebook groups relating to your interests, you are more likely to receive more engagement, which can enhance your Facebook Reel profits. Make and test Reels in different locations on Facebook. Creators will be able to share and discover Facebook Reels in new areas on the platform shortly as Facebook continues to mold this program, and obviously it's starting to become more of a part of Facebook as a whole. You can use Reels in your stories. You can submit public Reels to Facebook stories to expand your exposure and reach, allowing you to make more money from Facebook Reels. So there is a feature on Instagram where you can just click it and it will let your Instagram Reels have a feature that allows Instagram producers to have their Reels recommended on Facebook. So basically, there's a little button that you can click on your Instagram Reels that says, I want to recommend this on Facebook as well. Make sure whenever you're creating videos to incorporate storytelling. Consider Facebook clips to be a narrative, just as you would any kind of movie or fiction. To hold your audience's attention, incorporate a climax, a turning point, a twist, or a surprise. After you've completed your script, consider how each clip should appear, what type of audio can best represent each moment. Make it relatable material. You can generate more relatable material if you know your audience well. Consider what motivates and inspires your audience and to get relatable emotions. Those are the good videos that are going to do the best. On the other hand, something that you can really utilize is hype. It's a great marketing tactic on social media. You should stay up to date on the latest trends, difficulties, and music. Then with your unique spin, you may create content based on these trends. However, you must ensure that the buzz is related to your plan and target audience. Otherwise, it could potentially jeopardize your entire marketing plan. Remember, the best way, in my opinion, to monetize Reels, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Pinterest Ideas, YouTube Shorts is affiliate marketing. Now, if you made it this far, go ahead and put down Facebook Reels in the comments. I want to give you this free ebook that will definitely help you because I've helped over 1,200 entrepreneurs start their business online. Almost all of it has been short form content like Facebook Reels. Remember, Facebook Reels is now competing with TikTok. They want to promote your stuff because they want to steal a little bit of the market share from TikTok onto Facebook. So take advantage of this opportunity. Don't let it slide by you. Instagram Reels is a great way. Facebook Reels now is up there. Pinterest Ideas. Make sure that you're using all of this, and I want to help you guys learn how to do this, make money online, quit your jobs if you need to, supplement your family, and get ahead of the curve. Now is the time to get started. Down below, you'll see a 14-day trial to the software that I've created with my partner, and so that you can literally have all the different software needed to create your business automatically from start to finish. We are putting together trainings that will literally take you way far in front of those that are just starting this. We want to expand literally your knowledge, but also expedite the process from beginner to earning online. So please, please, please take this advice. If you learn something, make sure you follow and subscribe and comment down below. What are you struggling with? Have you ever made a Facebook Reel before? Or what platform are you posting content to? I'd love to hear your thoughts down below, and I will see you in the next one.